Hey guys, how are you with my beautiful slay queens? For picking up amaqanda, guys. Inkukhu zami ziyabeka. I think kumele ngiwahafu because azikafukami ne. So 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. I think I will take 7 on this one. Ngishiye 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Ngishiye 12 lana. So ngithethe 7 ngachiya 12. Lapha mangaki? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Lapha angizukuthatha because ayi-10. Ngizowachiye nje eyi-10. Angizukuthatha la ngithethe lapha ngachiya 12 lapha yi-10. So asambenini phakathi exolweni guys, asambenini phakathi lapha ezihlala khona. Anti uyazibona sesifuna ukulala, so ngithethe 7 phaya, so sesisiza lapha phakathi ne, and then sizothatha le eyenza lapha phakathi. Kumele ngizame ukungena lapha phakathi because lapha ngazivalela ukuthi zibe zodwa lezi ezivekela. So asiboneni lapho ukuthi zile ngaki. Ngithi uyabona ukuthi zibeke kaningi nje ziyawangcolisa. So asithathenini lapha phakathi. Ngithethe 7 ngale, so lapha phakathi angikwazi ukuthi kule ngaki ngizakhawunta engizowathatha and then ngibone engizowachiya. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I think sokuzamele ngitop up utshani. 20. I think ngizothatha 20. Let me take 20. Ngibona ukuthi ngishiya mangaki. Ngithini isibalo esibona ukuthi ashiyekileyo mangaki. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25. Manini ngithathe more. Ngizothatha more. What's happening? Ibhatri lami seli-down. La iwasebenzayo. Le ma-slay queen la iwabekelayo la. Abekela ama-slay queen. La madoda iwasebenzayo. That's why ngisidla amaqanda every day. It's because of amadoda la wabonayo. I think la madoda afika 8 lezi le queen ezifika 20. So every day almost ngiyathatha amaqanda amangaka. Into yabona landela. So yeah. Nice of life of a farmer, guys.